In this lesson, we're going to learn about objective personal pronouns. So what are objective personal pronouns? Here's the simple definition. Objective personal pronouns are pronouns that typically come after a verb. In other words, they receive the action of a verb, and sometimes they can come after a preposition. So I'll give you examples to what that means. Now here's a list of the singular and plural objective personal pronouns. So we have the first person, me, singular, and the plural of that is us. And second person is you, and plural is you. So you and you are the same, they don't change. And then third person is him, her, it, and them. And just remember, it comes after the verb, so it receives the action of the verb. Now if you don't remember what pronouns are, or if you want to go check it out, I do have a video for that in my playlist for English grammar, so check that out. And if you don't know what first person, second person, and third person really mean, I did create a video for that, so it's very helpful to understand those things before you jump to this video. So check those out. So here's some sentence examples of how that works. So here we have she called me. So you can see the pronoun me comes after, or she called us. So if it's a group of people, if it's plural. I saw you. See the pronoun you here? So, and then I saw him. And right there you can see, right? So this is the third person. And then I saw her. So if you're talking about a female, again, him is for male if you're not sure. And then I saw it. Now remember, it is for like a place, a thing, something that is inanimate, so it's not a person. But the pattern that you see here is that these pronouns, these objective personal pronouns, come after the verb saw, called, called, right? So they're coming after that particular verb. And then we have we invited them. So when you're talking about a group of people, so more than one person, and then I sat beside him. Now the difference between this one is that you can see that it's coming after the preposition beside. So that's part of the definition. So these objective personal pronouns can sometimes come after the preposition. In this case, beside is the preposition, and then you have the pronoun him, objective personal pronoun. And then another example of that is that the teacher spoke to us. Here's a pronoun, and here's the preposition, right? So here, these are some good examples to tell you what objective personal pronouns. Just remember that objective personal pronouns are pronouns that come after the verb. That's a simple way to put it. The more formal way is to say they receive the action of a verb. And they can also come after a preposition, as we just saw in those two last examples. So that's what objective personal pronouns are. If this was helpful, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment and share.